So this is my Skull Kid figurine, which I got as a Christmas/birthday present. And it is made, it's 3D printed out of sand, colored sand. And so it's like a sandstone 3D print. It's really cool, but really fragile. You can see it didn't even get to me before his thumb broke off, which is really sad, but it's fine. It's still really cool. The detail on it is really, really good. The way the details of the feet, the stand. The only thing it's missing is there's nothing on his face. His face is just a rounded thing. You probably can't see it very well. But there's no eyes or really shape. It's just a round face. But it is really quite incredible. So I'm not sure the background of this. So my friend works at a company that does 3D prints of things. I can't remember the application or the scope of the company, but I expect that he made this there. I also don't know if he found a 3D model or if he made this model. That's what he does there, is art and modeling, I believe. But anyway, so I just wanted to show this off because I thought it was pretty cool and really unique. I couldn't even find any videos of this type of 3D printing. So there we go. There's the 3D printed sand Skull Kid.